Excuse me, sir. I'm a little lost here. Do you think you can help me? Hello, sure. Are you a tourist visiting our city? Sure, I can help you, boy. Thank you. And yeah, I've just arrived today to my hotel, which is 2 blocks from here. The Kingdom Hotel? That's a nice one. If you ever need some recommendations. That's exactly I'm looking for. Since I don't have a tourist guide, I'm by myself here. I see. What do you need? I know this place like the back of my hand. That's excellent. Well, first, can you tell me how can I get to the nearest bank? We have 2 banks near here. The first is crossing the street and 1 block from here. Yeah, I already went there, but it was closed. They're under repair. I see. It has been months they are repairing that bank. Anyway, the other one. Is the other one the one that is next to the hotel? Because I have already gone there and nothing. No, that bank never opens. The other one is 3 blocks to the right from here. I didn't go there yet. Excellent. And what about restaurant to eat? A good one. Well, that's kind of difficult because we have a lot of very good restaurants here. Yeah, I noticed that, but I'm looking for a cheap and good restaurant, please. Then you need to go to the David's restaurant. He's my brother. It's 2 blocks from here. Okay, but I need a more specific indication, please, since I don't know anything. I'm sorry. Sure. You go straight ahead 3 blocks and then turn right. That's it. Thank you. You said its name was David's, your brother? Is it good? David's. And yes, they serve very delicious food every day. I totally recommend it to you. Cool. Now, I don't eat seafood. I can't because I'm allergic to that. Then you can't go there. They serve just seafood. What do you prefer to eat instead? Sorry for not telling you this before. Well, I'd rather eat some chicken or maybe Chinese. There's a good Chinese restaurant in the next corner. Just cross the street and turn left. Great, thank you. And what about a place where I can buy some new clothes? You can go to the shopping mall center, go past that store, and walk 2 more blocks. Do you know if they sell warm clothes? You see, I thought it was going to be sunny here. It is very usual in this city. We never know how the weather is going to be. Yeah, well, I didn't bring warm clothes, just this sweater, and it is already dirty, so. Well, you can go there. They sell different types of clothes, or if you prefer, another one. Just in case, can you please tell me how to get to any other clothes store near here? Sure, look, go along this road, then turn right at the crossroads, and you will get there. Excellent. Now, I couldn't find the bus station. Do you know where it is? You will have to walk a little more to get to the nearest bus station, or you can take a taxi. Well, I prefer to walk. I need to save money if I want to visit all the tourist places from here. You're right. Well, you need to walk along for 10 blocks, take the second right, turn left. The seconds like difficult to remember. I think I'd better take a taxi instead. No, we're almost there. After that, continue past the primary school and seriously, I won't remember. I think I'd better call for a taxi. Where's the taxi stop? Okay then, continue straight ahead for about 2 blocks. There you'll find it. Thank you so much. Would you show me the way to the nearest police station? What happened? Did you already have a problem in our city? Are you okay? Yeah, it's just that I always ask for a police station in case of an emergency. You know? Sure. In fact, that's very smart of you. Well, the police station is not very far. Would you please show me the exact location of this? And I'm sorry to bother you. Don't worry. See, go down this street. It'll be between the bank and the cafe. Thank you. I can see it is not very far from here. That's excellent. Thank you for your help. Is there anything else I can help you with? I like tourists to come to our city. I can see. Well, I also need to know where I can drink something, you know? As I told you before, the cafe is next to the police station. You will find good coffee and... No, I meant alcoholic drinks. It's just that I want to celebrate my first day here. I get you know. Well, you can go to a bar or maybe you prefer a disco to dance. A disco sounds really good for me. Where can I find a good one here? There's a disco. Okay, go straight ahead. Make a left turn when you see the bookshop. You mean the one which is on the opposite from the gas station? I already saw it. No, I mean the other one. The one that is around the corner from the post office. Okay, I hope I can remember that very well. Otherwise, I'll get lost. You don't need to worry about that. This city is not dangerous at all. You'll realize it. That's good to know. Believe me, I've traveled a lot and I've seen a lot too. Yeah, I suppose so. But here you will see police officers at every single corner. What a relief. One last question, please. Where can I buy some souvenirs? There's a market for tourists near here. Just take the first left when you enter Stephen Road. Thank you very much, sir. By the way, what is your name? I didn't ask, sorry. I'm Daniel. I'm the owner of a shoe store crossing this road. Its name is Shoezing. Nice to meet you, Daniel. I will surely go to buy some shoes in your shop later. That will be great. You can come whenever you want. You are more than welcome. Thank you. Now I'm leaving. I have to go to the bank to get some money. Okay, but you're going in the wrong direction. It's not there. It's over here. See? Oh, damn. I need to get used to this city. Thank you again and have a great day. You too have an excellent day and enjoy your vacation in our city. Take care.